Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to book a flight on Qatar Airways. So first you just need to go to the qatarairways.com, and where you will find this type of interface, and this is actually the official website of Qatar Airways, where you can find the booking slot, the booking form here that will help you to book a flight here. So make sure that you select a book a flight here, or you can just tap on this, click on this book here. Now you'll find the book flights, and from here you'll find the page where you can just book a flight. Also you can just here you can just book a return ticket or one-way ticket or multi-city ticket here, so you can just choose one of them here. So like return, and from you just need to select the destination where you want to set at the departure location you want to fly location. Like there's different types of cities available, so I'm going to search for New York here. So I'm going to add the New York and to and here it is. So after that you have to enter the departure date and the return date here, so you can just select it like I'm going to select it to 10 to 13 here. Now tap on continue, and that you just need to select the passenger number here, how many passenger, how many ticket you want to book, and the class here. So you can add the passengers like adults mean the upper than 12 years, and the child or infant. So I'm going to add a double passenger here that are more than 12 years, and the economic seat, or the you can just book a premium or business or the first flight here. So you can just choose any of these. Now tap on confirm here. Now book using, if you have any Avios point, then you can just tap on this, or you can just claim your Avios point here, or you can also add a promo code if you have. So now tap on search flight, that it's searching for the flights that are available currently according to your needs. So here you can see all the flights. Right now there's two flights only available for that days and that ticket that you want. So here is the date 10th April, or you can find that all of this amount that for the business class. Economic class is not available right now, it's already booked, and but there's available that business flights is available right now. So you can just tap on business here. Now select fare, make sure that there's available. If you want to buy economic tickets, so make sure that economy tickets are available, or you want to business flight, then you can just tap on it, and you will find the subscriptions or the types of tickets that you want, like business comfort or business elite. So you can just tap on select fare, and here you can see departure selected here. So that return ticket, it is the that was the flying ticket, and the return ticket is here, that in 13 April there's economic available, but there's no business available, business class is not available. You can find all of these that are available here, so I'm going to choose one of them. Now I'm going to choose one of them also. Now tap on confirm here. Now total amount is the prompted, and you can see it is loading here. So here is the grand total amount, so that all the details that about the flight. Then here you can just payment summary, here you can find all the amounts here. Now continue to contact details, so you have to enter the passengers details, contact details perfectly, like your this name here, enter that titles, the gender, the first name or the middle name, and the last name, also the date of birth, the nationality, and the passport details here. The passport number is essential, must essential, and date of expiry also, you will get that information in your passport. Then you will find additional information also, that frequent flyer number, you can just note that flyer number for further use. Now save and continue. Now here you can see one is added. Now the second one, you have to add all of these details, then you have to tap on continue. Now the last step is pay the payment method, that you have to pay for this trip. Then you will get two tickets on your name, that you can just get it on document, or you can just collect it from your nearby airports. So also you can just collect it from the agencies. That's all. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.